Hi all, this is Mohit Rathi, and in this particular video, I would like to share with you guys one of the growth hacking techniques, or I would also call it as conversion rate optimization techniques. Basically, let's assume that this particular page that you're seeing right over here is an e-commerce website, and you have a lot of traffic coming on this e-commerce website. Let's say there are 10,000 people who visit this particular page on a daily basis. Now, out of 10,000 people, you see that only 100 people are buying your product, so rest 9,900 people are just dropping off. So either in a day, or you can also take it in the entire month. There are 10,000 people coming, 9,900 people. They're coming on your page, they're coming on your website, but they're not buying anything. Okay, so I would call them as potential customers, and it is a good practice that if we can collect their contact details or something like that. So I'm going to show you guys one technique which has personally helped me in my e-commerce business to generate good amount of leads. So what I'm going to do is first, once I log in into my WordPress backend, I'm going to install and activate a plugin called as Lucky Wheel. So just go to plugins, go to add new and search for this plugin called as Lucky Wheel. Now there might be alternatives for this plugin, but the plugin which I'm going to use right over here. So just go right over here, Lucky Wheel. Let's search for this plugin. I want you guys to go ahead, install and activate this particular plugin, Lucky Wheel for WooCommerce. And remember, WooCommerce has to be activated because we are talking from the point of view of an e-commerce website. So once this particular plugin is activated, left-hand side, you'll find a new option called as WC Lucky Wheel. So I'm going to click on WC Lucky Wheel, that is WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. And then once I click over here, I'm going to first scroll down right over here and I'm going to enable it. So this is enabled. This is enabled, and then I'm going to click on save. Once I click on save, let me go to the front end of the website and reload the website once. So let's see if this Lucky Wheel is coming right over here or not. Cool. If you see over here, it is coming right over here. Now I'll have to remove the WhatsApp icon, that is the WhatsApp click to chat plugin. But let's say if somebody clicks on this Lucky Wheel, something like this opens up. So spin to win, enter your name, enter your email address and try your luck. So you can keep over here options, flat 50% coupon. Otherwise, you can also keep it as win 2,000 rupees gift voucher, etc., etc. Now, how do you edit all of this? That is, we'll again go back to the backend of the website. Now, once we are in the backend of the website, under WC Lucky Wheel, right over here, you'll have something called as wheel settings. So I'm going to click on wheel settings. Once I click on wheel settings, you can set the wheel speed. Over here is the coupon code. That is, do you want to give a percentage discount? So let's say, what is the percentage discount? 5% discount is given over here. So instead of 5%, we can also call it as 15%. We can call it as 30% off. Okay. Now guys, this 30% off coupon code is going to be directly emailed to the person. Okay. Let's say if he spins the wheel and he gets the 30% coupon code, the wheel stops at 30% coupon code, the email is going to go directly. However, you can change the look and feel of the email. I'm going to show you that a little later. So let's say 30% discount. Now, let's say you also want to give 100% discount. Okay, now nobody wants to give 100% discount, right? It doesn't make sense to give 100% discount. Otherwise, let's say you want to give it as a free trip to this one, we will call it as 100%, yeah, 100% discount. Now nobody wants to give 100% discount. Otherwise, you can also call it as there is something called as the probability. Okay, that is how many people are going to get this. Now over here, the total probability is 100%. So I'll make this probability as 0%. That means nobody is going to stop on this particular option. So next time, whenever you guys are spinning some wheel on some other website, remember that in the backend, somebody has set up the probability. Now, if you want to be genuine enough, you can give the probability of 0.000.1, or you can also give it as 1% probability that somebody is going to somebody is going to stop at this particular option. Okay. Now, instead of percentage discount, you can also give it as an fixed product discount, fixed card discount, otherwise custom. So let's say I'll select it as custom. And I was telling you guys this option. Let's say you want to put it across as free trip to Dubai. Okay, and I'll put it as probability 0%. That means nobody is going to stop on that particular option. But if they're seeing that particular option, there are higher chances that they want to spin the win. Okay, spin the wheel. So instead of this, you can also call it as rupees 5,000 instead Paytm cash. Probability 0%. Great. Okay, if you want, you can do the probability as 1% also. Now, why do I call it as this particular technique is a growth hacking technique, but why did I call it as conversion rate optimization also? Is because you see, when you're giving 15% off, and I'm going to make this one probability has 75%. That means 75% of times my customer is going to get this coupon code. Now, what happens is this coupon code will go with the expiry date. That is, let's say today is 23rd of June. So the coupon code expires in 1 month. Okay, now what happens is the customer knows that this coupon code is going to expire in 1 month, and there are higher tendencies that even if he doesn't want to buy any product on my website, since the coupon code is expiring, he might come back to my website and make sure that the coupon is redeemed or something like that. So that is the reason I also call it as conversion rate optimization. Now let me just go to the top, and right over here you have the emails. That is the automated emails that will go out to your customer. You can change the look and feel of this emails. So let's say right over here, you'll have to click on add a new email. Once you click on add a new email, then okay, this refers to emails that are going to go out once somebody spins the wheel across. So that emails you can see right over here. But I'm checking over here, where do you change the template? So I will again go back to WC Lucky Wheel. Right over here, yeah, inform results. So click on inform results. So this way it's going to be the subject line. Let's say you want to change the subject line to new coupon code, or let's say you have won a reward of 5,000 rupees. You have won a reward, redeem it right now, etc. So email headline and the email content. Dear customer, customer name is going to be automatically picked up. You have won a discount coupon by spending the lucky wheel on my website. Please apply the coupon when you are shopping. This is the coupon code and this is the expiry date. Right, guys? So I call it as both the technique. It is also a growth hacking technique, and it is also a conversion rate optimization technique, wherein let's say even if people don't want to buy it, since they have a coupon code, there are higher chances there is a tendency of them going ahead and applying the coupon code, etc., etc. Rest of the options, that is the pop-up, wheel background, custom fields, etc., etc. I want you guys to look into these options. But yeah, this is how Lucky Wheel works, guys. So whenever you're seeing next time something like Lucky Wheel, always understand there is somebody who has set the probability. And if you're not getting 5,000 rupees cash, don't think that you are unlucky. No, don't think that. It is simply that the probability might be very less. Okay. So that's it in this particular video from my end. Thank you all. So if you have liked the video, do comment about it, do share with your friends, do share with some WordPress website owners. It might help them. Thank you, everyone.